Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing like a declutter, but we're going to be doing like swatches as well. So I'm going to start like a declutter series and like get through everything. But for my lipsticks, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to swatch every single one of them because if they suit me, I'll keep them. If they don't, goodbye, basically. I'm going to zoom you in like semi-close so you can kind of see those shades, but the lipsticks that I have here are the ones that are currently in my like working my way through my makeup collection series over on Patreon. And I'm going to start with these ones. I feel like this video is, or like, yeah, like this little thing is going to take a couple of videos because these are all liquid lipsticks and I reckon there's about 50 here. And that's only one box. Then we have glosses, then we have lip liners, and then we have like everything else that's already in my drawers. So buckle in, Oogie. This is going to be a big video, like a couple of videos. Just taking my foundation off, that's great. So, I kind of want to keep, like, do some order, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. There is so many in here. Let's start with some Colourpop ones. All of these have been sitting for so long. The first one we have here is, this is a Colourpop Luxe Velvet. This is in Puddin'. Let's go. It's good as well, because I have, like, kind of like a neutral eye look, so you know, semi-neutral, like it should match most things, so I'm not going to worry too much about application because we're literally just going to be taking it straight off, but I thought this would be easier. I kind of don't like it, but I'm kind of like, oh, I feel like maybe I should keep it, like I don't really have any other shades like this, you know? Would I wear this? I feel like I kind of would. Am I being delusional? Maybe. I'm going to keep it for now. But anyway, that was our first one. That's Colourpop in Puddin'. Next we have another Colourpop Luxe Velvet in Big Bang. This is like red. I feel like it's not something that I'm going to wear very often, but I feel like I would wear it at some point. I wish I was a red lip girly. Like I feel like the girls that pull off red lips, they look so good. I feel like this shade's actually quite nice though. Like I feel like this could be really nice around like the holidays or something. Like I feel like it's not a super daunting red. I actually quite like it. I really like this formula as well from Colourpop. The Luxe Velvet one. So that's another keep. Our lips are going to be fried by the end of this. Okay, don't mind the ring around my lips. I look ridiculous. Whoopsies. Okay, let's try one that I feel like I'm not going to keep. This is Be Perfect. This is a Supreme Velvet in Shook. I just feel like I don't think I'm going to keep this. I don't even need to put like all of it on to just know that. It is actually really fun. Like I can't lie. Like it is a really fun colour. It smells really nice as well, but I don't kind of like it. I'm never going to wear it. I need to be a little bit more cutthroat. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that one. That's from Be Perfect in the shade Shook. Oh my god, guys, I've made a mess of my face. This is one from BH Cosmetics. This is a liquid lipstick in Lust. It looks a bit separated. I don't know. Does that one just go in the bin? It honestly looks like a really cool shade. Is it similar to that Colourpop one I just tried though? No, this is definitely darker. I honestly think I'm going to keep it just because I don't have many reds that are like super dark. These are cute. I'm giving Ronald McDonald at the moment only because like I don't even know how I've already smeared so much lipstick, but anyway. Oh my god. Now I've got it on my actual face. Oh my god, what have I done? This video is a disaster already. I used to film lip swatches all the time. Not so much anymore. And there's a reason. I hope this doesn't stain for work tomorrow because that'll be bad. These from Ofra. Actually, no. Let's finish off these Colourpop ones. So these, we're back to the Luxe Velvets. This one is Genie. What the okay, well, her applicator is gone. So Genie is a bin moment. Next we have Southbound. She does have an applicator, so that's good. This is real pretty. It's like a deep plum. Once again, excuse the application because it's horrific, but you get the idea, kind of. I actually really like this shade. I think it's really pretty. Because of the way I've applied it, it makes it look like I've got big bruises on my lips, but that's just my application. So that was Southbound. Next from Colourpop we have Can You Even, and this one looks, she needs a bit of a shake. Yeah, I like it. That's nice. Let's keep that one. So far we've decluttered one, and we did have to throw one out, but I don't know if that counts. I feel like this might not suit me. This is from Jacqueline Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Noodle. I mean, Jacqueline Cosmetics isn't even a thing anymore, and I don't even have to apply that to know that that's a no. So that was nice. That was easy. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is when they first, like when they came out with their lipsticks. This is in Raspberry Charlotte. Do they still even make these? These bullet lipsticks. Wow, they're kind of really cool. Honestly, kind of love it. Can't lie. I really thought that I was going to get rid of that one. I was like, yeah, this is one that I'll get rid of. But I kind of love it. I don't even know if they make them anymore, but it's pretty. I've got a really bad headache at the moment. The more I look at my lips, the worse they get, but that's fine. I'm going to call Kate in here and see if he says anything. Excuse me, answer your phone.
You have reached the message bank.
Oh, he's coming, I think. Hey. Can you come here for a sec, please? Yeah. Thank you. Love you, bye. Okay, let's see. I'm just in here.
What up, sweetheart?
What?
Your lips just look a little bit.
That's all I wanted.
Is that he actually?
Yeah, I just wanted to see if he'd say anything. What do you want for tea?
You.
Yep.
Huh?
A smarty. What do you actually want? Oh, it's funny. Let's try this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is in the shade Maria. It's like another red. Okay. It's really pretty, but it feels very like stiff and a little bit chunky. So I'm going to put it in the bin, which is weird because the other BH Cosmetics one I would have got around the same time. It's a bit shame because I actually quite like this shade, but honestly those BH ones would have to be, I would say at least 5 years old, maybe. They're old. It sucks that I have so many reds because that's why my mouth is so like... These Kylie Cosmetics ones honestly should probably also go in the bin because they are as old as the hills. This one is Leo. These would be, I think I got these like really around the time that I started my channel, so these would be like 7 years old. But how pretty is that? I actually think this shade is so pretty. I'm keeping it. I don't care. I feel like it was similar to the BH Cosmetics one. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I feel like after I swatch them all, I need to go through and do like a speed round where I like swatch ones that are similar and like only keep one or something like that. Because honestly, I do not need these mini lipsticks. And we have barely made progress. This is a Colourpop lippy stick. This one is in the shade Pitch, I think. It's got like fairy stuff on it. Oh no, it's alright. It's a dark brown. I feel like I'm already gonna like this. I'm gonna keep that. You can already tell I like it. I've got another Colourpop lippy stick in I Heart This. I know it's like similar to that Kylie Cosmetics shade, but it's like really similar to that Kylie Cosmetics shade actually. Actually maybe this one's a bit more red. Do I need this? It looks so fun and vibrant though. I feel like everything looks good with this eye look, which is really annoying. I'm gonna keep it for now. Maybe if I haven't decluttered enough at the end, I'll like go back through and make some, you know, cut some of them off. This is the Kylie Cosmetics in Savage. This is like an old one. Honestly, all of my Kylie Cosmetics ones are old. That is not my shade. Is that? Or is that kind of my shade? Why do I kind of like it? I feel like I didn't like it at the start and now I'm kind of like, oh my god, I'm actually doing the worst job. Sorry. I feel like this is why I've kept so many and like why that I still have so many, because I do this. I like look at them and they're so pretty and I'm like, I'll keep it. This is not going as well as I thought it would. This is Morphe in Unsettled. Got like cotton in my mouth. He's pretty. I'm sure I would have something similar to this. I kind of want to get rid of my Morphe ones. It is a really pretty shade, but I'm going to get rid of it. I don't really... I'm still kind of tossing up if I want to support Morphe or not. So I feel like it's just easier to kind of get rid of it. Like, it's a pretty shade, but I'm sure I have others that are similar. I have this one from Ofra. This is in the shade... I don't know. It has no shade on it. I'm not even going to swatch it. That would be old, I reckon. Another BH Cosmetics in Veneer. This one's like very well dried up as well. So that one I'm just going to put in the bin. This is Kylie in Surprise Me. It's really cool. It's really pretty. But realistically, I'm not going to wear it, am I? I'm not going to wear it. I feel like it's chunky, but I don't know if I should just chuck it in the bin. I feel like the Kylie ones are so old, and I feel like this Ofra one's really old. The Jacqueline ones are like newer. I feel like I should put them in the bin. I just realised I should probably keep them until the end of the video though, like, just show you what we got rid of. The thing is, the colours look so cool on the lips and stuff, but it's like, I'm not gonna wear them. Like, some of them, yeah, I might wear, but what is this? Oh my god, this would be as old as the bloody hills. This is a Colourpop Ultra Matte Lippy in Flurries. This is like the old Colourpop packaging, like old. It's a pretty colour. That is going in the bin because that is so old. Here's another one. This is Star-Crossed. That's hilarious. These would be like relics. Oh my god. Crazy. They're so old that I didn't even recognise the packaging. This is a Colourpop in just a tint in Pop Quiz. It's pretty. I don't know if I love tints that much though, or like I do, but I don't know if I'd rather just put a lipstick on. It's pretty. I just don't think I'm going to use it. Just like, I feel like if I wanted something, I'd put like a lip like stain on, or even the new like pumping glosses or something like that. This is another Kylie one in Autumn. Not my colour. Let's do like two more. This is another Morphe one in in Suspect. This is a really pretty shade. I do like it. It's very pretty, but it's Morphe, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Like, if there's ones that I absolutely adore, I'll keep them, but Morphe's a bit of a question mark to me. I feel like the easiest way to deal with a question mark is just to avoid it. So do one more. I'm gonna do this one by Glamlight. This is the liquid lipstick, the Peanut Noir. I know I said that wrong. Sorry. It's like purple. I wonder if I'll like this. It's kind of cool. Like, I don't reckon I'll wear it, but I'll keep it like for maybe Halloween or something. I don't think I have anything like this, so I'll keep it for that. Alright, I am going to call this video here. I've been filming for almost half an hour. We made an alright dent. Oh my god, I've just like, I might as well just remove my makeup at this point. We still have a lot to go through, but so far we decluttered 13, so I'm really not mad about that. And we kept 12, I think. So, first round, I'm really not mad at. Some of these are going to go in the bin. Some of these I'm going to pass along to other people. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in part 2.